Meet monkey. Arms movement. Vertical movement. Side to side movement. Now it's time to see what's inside of it.
Toys for you. Hey guys, and welcome to What's Inside. Right now it's part 2 of the monkey clip, and we have seen the monkey performing great underwater, and now it's time to open it and see if water has damaged it in any way. So come on! It's now time to see if it will open. What do you think? Will it open? Apparently not. We have to unscrew some more. So we will use this screwdriver, and I suspect this monkey has a secret. Usually they do have a hidden screw in the battery compartment. There, can you see it? There is a hidden screw. Now, and now gently, and I really hope that it will not open in a million pieces, which it kind of does. And this is what's inside the monkey. I lost one screw. Okay, you guys, and looks like we find here the same familiar shape as in Olaf, as in all the standing up toys. And now I'm turning it on. First the lights. Okay, and now what do we have here? We have the speaker. Where is the speaker? Oh, the speaker is right here in the front. Okay, here is the speaker, guys. Apparently we uncovered the secret of this monkey. Come on here. Okay. Here, guys, you see the electric engine that spins these wheels, these two wheels responsible for the feet. You see? When this move, the feet move, and when this little guy moves, we have movement from side to side. And movement from side to side is because of this clever gear. This one. That it's spinning very nice. As a fun fact, when the back of the monkey is not clipped here, so when the back of the monkey is not clipped, this gear makes a full circle. But when the monkey is clipped, it just moves from side to side. So it's just kind of like this. Okay, now that you've seen what's inside the monkey and you could see for yourself that the water did not damage it, now it's time to put it back together. Come on, let's see if we can make it. Before we put it back, let's try some stress management, because we have a lot of anti-stress stuff and we're kind of playing get away. Okay, not violent. I have some issues, guys. I have decided to try new things, and I'm timing my cameraman to see how fast he is at screwing this. You guys can do it too, but you should ask for permission from your parents. Come on. Do you still have a lot to do? No, not really. Let's see if the cameraman did a good job in putting the monkey together, and let's see if the monkey works. First position. And it works. Not so fast. Come back. We don't want to see what's inside you the hard way. Come back. Good girl. Guys, this was it from what's inside in the toy store from now. I wish I could say comment. Okay, but please smash the like button so I know that you are there and you liked it. And also, see you in the next one. Mwah!
Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.